Hello friends, welcome to the first English class. Every year we are at school this time. Where were you last year at this time? കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം ഈ സമയത്ത് സ്കൂളിൽ 4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലിരുന്ന് പഠിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ?
But this year we are at home, aren't we? We cannot go to schools now, but we have started our classes, right? Don't worry, we can go to schools very soon, okay? This year you couldn't play with your friends, right?
All of us were at home because of what? Yes, because of lockdown. വീട്ടിലിരുന്ന് ബോർ അടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? കളിക്കാൻ കൂടെ പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല അല്ലേ? Did you feel bored at home? Did you read anything? Magazines or storybooks? കുറെ TV കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? എന്തൊക്കെ കണ്ടു?
What did you watch in TV? Cartoons or music programs or comedy programs or films? Anyway, all of us like comedy programs, right? Now I shall show you a video. This is not a comedy show, but it is very interesting. Okay, watch it.
മണ്ടൻ തന്നെ അല്ലേ? അതിനറിയാമോ അത് കണ്ണാടിയാണെന്ന്?
Here the bird is fooled by the mirror. The bird sees its own image in the mirror, but it thinks that it is another bird, so it pecks at the mirror. Very funny, isn't it? You might have seen this, right? Now I shall show you another video. Watch it. What did the animals see in the video? Yes, a drone. It's a drone.
Haven't you seen drones? എവിടെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്? കല്യാണ സ്ഥലത്ത് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ?
It's used to shoot in marriage functions, right? What did the animals do when they saw the drone? Okay, what did the tigers do? They tried to catch it. Some of them even jumped up to catch it. We have seen cats also. What did the cats do? Yes, they became frightened. And what about the eagle? Yes, the eagle caught the drone. The eagle thought that it is another bird, so it caught the drone. Very funny, isn't it? And what about the lion? How did the lion react? Yes, the lion became frightened. You see, even the lion becomes frightened. Well, let's watch another video. Okay. in the video? A puppy and a cat, aren't they?
What did the puppy do? എന്തൊക്കെയാ നായ്ക്കുട്ടി കാട്ടുന്നത് അല്ലേ? എന്താ അത് വിചാരിക്കുന്നത്? എന്തായാലും നല്ല രസമുണ്ട് അല്ലേ?
What did the puppy do in the video? Yes, the puppy ran away at first. It's very funny, isn't it? The puppy ran away at first. It became frightened, so it ran away. Then, after some time, it slowly came near it. Very interesting, isn't it? What does the cat do? Yes, the cat thought that its image on the mirror is another cat, right? Why did these animals behave in this way? Yes, the drone is a new thing for them.
ഈ മൃഗങ്ങൾ ഈ സാധനം കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല അല്ലേ? ആദ്യമായിട്ട് കാണുകയാണ്.
They hadn't seen it before, so they got frightened. Okay. See, we also get frightened at things we see for the first time. There are many such funny incidents. Now, let's watch an old video. Okay, what did you see in the video? Yes, a train is coming to the railway station, right? This is a very special video. Do you know why?
This is one of the fast moving films shot by Lumiere Brothers. Who are Lumiere Brothers? They invented movie camera and projector. It was Lumiere Brothers who showed a film for the first time.
This was shown to the people in the year 1896. This was shown in Paris. Where is Paris? In France. Yeah, in France. A very interesting thing happened then. See, the people were watching the cinema for the first time. When the train moved in, they thought that it was a real train. So they became frightened. They thought that the train would hit them. So they became frightened. They ran away crying, "Ayyo!" Very funny, isn't it? They were frightened to see the picture of the big train. See, they were watching cinema for the first time. They were also fooled. Very interesting, isn't it?
അവർക്കറിയാമോ അത് വെറും ചിത്രമാണെന്ന്? ആളുകൾ വിചാരിച്ചു അത് യഥാർത്ഥ ട്രെയിൻ ആണെന്ന്.
Do you get frightened at scenes in movies now? Not at all. We see many types of movies now, even horror films, films of snakes, of ghosts, of devils, and all sorts of films. But we don't get frightened because we know that they are just images or pictures on the screen. So we don't get frightened. We are not afraid, okay? New things always create such funny incidents. There are many such funny incidents. One such funny incident is in your textbook. It is a story related to a mirror. It's an African story. Well, are all of you eager to hear the story? Okay, now I shall tell you the story. The story happens in an island in Africa. I told you it's an African story.
Where is Africa? Let us see. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. There are 54 different countries in Africa. South Africa, Egypt, Sudan, Kenya, Nigeria, etc. Some of them. large number of plants and animals in Africa. Around half of the total plants and animals live in Africa. Africa has deserts, large rivers, large rainforests, and grassy lands. The largest desert, Sahara, is in Africa. The largest river, Nile, is in Africa. There are a lot of interesting facts about Africa. You read books and collect those facts about Africa. Okay. Well, let's come back to our story. I told you this is an African story and it happened in an island.
Now, what is an island? Look at this. This is the picture of an island. Look, this is another island. What is its specialty? Yes, water all around. Now tell me, what is an island? Yes, a land surrounded by water. Yes, this story took place in an island. Okay. Look, this is the island in the story. Are there any houses on it? Yes, we can see some houses on the island. Okay. Long ago, a fisherman and his wife lived on an island. It was a lonely island. Water all around. No other land near it. The people of the island had a simple life there. They had no electricity, no phones, no newspapers, no TV, no other modern things. They had no combs and mirrors also. The only way to see other people was through the ships that passed by the island.
The people in the ship, the sailors, would throw used things out of the ship. They would throw used toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. These things would flow on water and would slowly come ashore. Waves of the sea would take them to the shore of the island and the people of the island would collect them. തിരമാലയിൽ ഒഴുകി വരുന്ന ഈ സാധനങ്ങളെല്ലാം എടുത്ത് അവർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഈ ഷൂസിന്റെയും ടൂത്ത് ബ്രഷിന്റെയും ഒക്കെ ഉപയോഗം ദ്വീപിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് അറിയുമോ? What do you think? What will they do with these things? Let's see.
One day, the fisherman was walking along the seashore. His father had died some days before. After his father's death, he was not going out of his house for some days. This was the first time after his father's death he was going out of his house. He was still sad. Oh, my father, how loving he was, he thought. Never can I see him again, the fisherman said to himself. Suddenly, a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shiny was lying there on the sand. It was flat and thin. What is that? He picked it up and looked at it. He had never seen such a thing before. He saw his face in it. He became scared. He threw it away. But after some time, he walked towards it. He picked it up and looked his face in it again. The fisherman was seeing his face for the first time. He had never seen his face before, so he thought it was his father's face. He was very happy. He thanked God for sending him his father's picture. He smiled at it. What a surprise! It smiled back. He turned the mirror to see his father behind it, but he could not see anyone. Once more, he turned it to his face. Oh, my loving father, he spoke to his father. His father's lips also moved, but no sound was heard. He became sad. He started crying. His father also seemed to cry. He held the mirror close to his heart and went home.
അയാൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയ സാധനം എന്താണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പിടികിട്ടി അല്ലേ? പാവം മീൻപിടുത്തക്കാരൻ. He took that new thing to his house.
Who is at his house? Yes, his wife is at home. She saw her husband coming happily. What was he holding? What was in his hand? Yes, the mirror. What was he thinking of the mirror? Was it a mirror to him? No, to him it was his father's picture. Seeing this, what will the wife ask the fisherman? What will the fisherman say to his wife? Now, can you write the conversation between the fisherman and his wife? Well, write the conversation and show it to your teacher. Okay. The story I told you is in your textbook. You can read the story later. Well, are all of you eager to know what happened later? Okay, I shall tell you the rest of the story the next day.
എല്ലാവരും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പുസ്തകം നന്നായി വായിക്കണം. പുസ്തകത്തിലെ 8 മുതൽ 10 വരെയുള്ള പേജുകൾ വായിക്കൂ. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ കഥ അവിടെയുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ ആണോ പുസ്തകത്തിലെ കഥ? Is there any change in the story? Read and find out. Tell me about that next time. Okay. Let's see in the next story time with another interesting story. See you next time. Bye bye.